Hello, fabric enthusiasts. Welcome back to FabFlaire. Today, we're delving into the transformative world of chemical and wet finishes in fabrics. Join me as we unravel the science behind these processes, explore the diverse applications across textile industries, and peek into the future innovations that promise to reshape the very essence of fabrics. Our exploration is divided into 3 sections, each offering a unique perspective on the alchemical journey from raw fabric to finished textile. The alchemy of fabric transformation. Embark with me on a journey into the enchanting realm where raw fabrics undergo a magical metamorphosis through chemical and wet finishes. Imagine a blank canvas coming to life as we delve into processes like scouring, bleaching, dyeing, and printing. Here, every stage is a carefully orchestrated dance of chemicals and water, transforming mundane textiles into vibrant, soft, and functional masterpieces. In the alchemical cauldron of textile production, colors fixate, wrinkles surrender, and fabrics emerge reborn with enhanced properties. Witness the intricacies of color fixation, unlocking the secret behind the vivid hues that adorn your wardrobe. Discover the wizardry of wrinkle resistance, where fabrics emerge not just aesthetically pleasing, but also remarkably low maintenance. This section unravels the mysteries of fabric alchemy, showcasing how chemical and wet finishes are the unsung artisans behind the textures and colors that make our textiles not just a necessity, but a canvas of artistic expression and functional elegance. Applications across textile industries. As we venture into the second act of our exploration, the versatility of chemical and wet finishes unfolds across diverse textile landscapes. Picture the fashion industry, where these finishes bestow softness, resilience, and captivating colors to the fabrics adorning runways and filling our wardrobes. Feel the comfort of home textiles, bed linens, curtains, and upholstery, where these finishes contribute to the tactile experience of coziness and aesthetics. Beyond our personal spaces, the industrial realm embraces the transformative power of these processes. In healthcare, antimicrobial finishes ensure hygiene, while automotive textiles benefit from weather-resistant treatments. The impact resonates across sectors, each benefiting from the tailored properties bestowed by chemical and wet finishes. Whether in high-fashion creations or the most mundane yet essential textiles, these finishes are the silent architects shaping the functionality and allure of the fabrics that surround us. Join me as we navigate this tapestry of applications, where every industry thread is intricately woven with the transformative magic of chemical and wet finishes. Innovations on the horizon. Our final act propels us into the future, where innovation and textile artistry converge. Witness the dawn of a new era as chemical and wet finishes evolve into technological marvels, shaping the very fabric of our lives. Nanotechnology, a frontier in fabric finishing, promises water-repellent, stain-resistant materials, ushering in a new age of practical luxury. Biofabrication takes center stage, introducing sustainable alternatives that align with the global shift towards eco-conscious living. Digital printing revolutionizes textile design, allowing for intricate patterns and personalized creations with unprecedented precision. Step into the future with me, where fabrics become not just a medium of expression, but a realm of limitless possibilities. Interviews with textile innovators and glimpses into cutting-edge technologies will leave you inspired by the boundless potential that lies ahead. The horizon of textile innovation beckons, promising a convergence of science, sustainability, and style, where every thread tells a story of progress and the limitless horizons of the textile world. And there you have it, the fascinating journey through the transformative world of chemical and wet finishes in fabrics. From the alchemy of fabric transformation to the diverse applications across industries and the exciting innovations awaiting us, this exploration has been a captivating ride. Until next time, keep embracing the transformative magic woven into the very fabric of our lives.